Holy Jesus. Hi guys, Stephen R. Ford from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. This video is about the stock market, or currency pairs, or Forex, or CFD if you wish. But basically, I'm just going to show you some chart work that I have been following, and it's been showing absolutely productive results from following these indicators. We're working with EURUSD, and EURUSD is the only currency pairs that I'm following at the moment. Now, this particular chart is on a day time frame, so please don't get confused. The reason why I'm bringing up the day frame is to show you what is happening. If we take our line here from where this asset is right now, EURUSD, we'll notice it's been there before in December, November last year. Now, it is critical, it's crucial, sorry, not critical, that we are using some sort of indicators of the history of the past to navigate where the asset is going in the future. As you will see, and you probably noticed some of my videos in the past is very similar in this sort of indication. Although it's been nearly a year ago when this particular asset hit this point at 1.1136, it's hit it again. And what I wanted to really show you is, because of the history, it has a strong notion to give us an idea where EURUSD could be hitting in the near future. Just using some of these indicators. And it is possible, as you can see here today, it's starting to trend downwards. And it's probably following exactly what it has been in the past. And if we follow some of these support line, resistance, remember on top, support line down the bottom, it tends to sort of repeat itself. But because this is an upward trend at the same time, the level of resistance is not as accurate, only because it's trending upward. And that's one thing also to bear in mind. EURUSD is trending upwards. It's making a recovery. It's coming back up again. Only at this time, let me change the time frame to say 1 hour. And we'll notice, see how clearly it's starting to go down. Now, how far will come down? That's the million-dollar question. It is possible it might come down to this level, which is 1.086. And that's only my prediction, of course. It might come down to that level, the support level here, before it returns. So between right now, 1.1151 to this level, you're going to make a lot of money opening sell trades or put trades, just to catch it as this EURUSD declining before it continues its upward trend. And that's what you got to remember. It is an upward trend, but you're just going to make some money out of these, on the other word, peaks and valleys, or resistance and support. This is resistant. It has hit a resistant point at 1.1161. Although I'm just quoting all these numbers reflect what's showing up on the chart here. Investing.com is a pretty good chart work, has a pretty good chart work, and let me change just a little bit to say candlesticks to allow you to appreciate how awesome these chart work to help you navigate and help you trade successfully in these platforms. Now, that information I've just shown you, I bring that information into my trading platform, which is an MT4 platform, EURUSD, and my prediction is that this asset is going to continue coming down, and I'm going to open up a trade, a sell trade, or open trade of sell or put, with a volume or size 1. Here we go. Now, translate that into reality and open up a trade accordingly, and it's done. Now, that's all we need to do. All I've done is gather the information from the chart. This is all live chart, of course, and today's date is the 18th of May 2017. using some live data, chart work or data to give me an indication where the chart is going, where the asset is going. And bear in mind, this particular asset could not could continue upward trend. This little drop here could be just a bit of a lie sometimes. It could give us a wrong indication, thinking that it would come down further. But in essence, because of the upward trend, that upward trend has a strong influence on this particular asset, and it's going to probably just keep going up. We've got a green candlestick here. Then all you got to do is go back here and do what is called a reversal trade and catch this asset on the way back up. Now let me give it to you in a 1 minute sort of chart. Okay, settle down. That's nice. Playing up. You got to bear in mind these process takes a bit of time to analyze, and probably some of the words you could be used here. It's called analytical work. That's what I'm doing here. And bear in mind also, this asset might EURUSD might only just come down to this level, with the support line where it's been due before, 1.01855 before it goes back up again. Again, I could be wrong, but I'm using history. History tends to leave some sort of indication, and that's all I'm working off. I'm using this indication to give you some ideas how accurate your trading can be. Just using quite a bit of chart work to give us a reference of where the asset could be going. And it can be very, very productive and profitable using signals and chart to gauge where the asset is moving. And as I said, my trading has been absolutely been phenomenal. Just making sure you're using charts to go through each process before you open up a trade. Whether you're using this at Forex, CFD, stocks, or even binary, these charts, they work off the same charts. When I say they work off the same charts, whatever the results on the stock market that's trading at that point of time, all these other chart work or chart providers have exactly the same with each other. There's no different in the chart system in accordance with what product or asset that's been traded at that moment of time. But I just wanted to show you that's what's happening. I think my last video was indicating this asset, EURUSD, was on an upward trend and hasn't changed. So if you purchased some shares, some open positions of EURUSD when I gave you that last video and the last indicator, you would be on pretty good money by now. And I think I made that call all the way back down here when there was a break in the market, in the correction. And if you notice, I gave the call here, I think. If you look through some of my old videos, you'll probably see where I gave you another call. And this particular one, at the moment, it's trending downwards. We'll probably reach down this level. If it comes back up, remember, I'm only predicting. It's not perfect, but that will help you gauge where the asset is moving, so you can trade successfully and certainly make a pretty good profit using these charts. Now let me double check that. Yeah, it's still going down, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. As long as you got your trade open, then you close your trading platform off and wait for the profit. And also another warning, do not have too many open trades on your platform. You'll probably see mine here, 33. Even that is too many. But I use even these big losses as part of my my indicators, because somewhere along the line the market does change and all these losses actually become profitable later on. So part of trading is don't panic. You can easily take your losses and close the trades off, but you're going to lose that amount of money. I have a slightly different philosophy. Just let it run, as long as the chart is giving you some indication somewhere along the line in the future. It might reverse. Reverse is the asset might. This is reversal now. or if it hits a certain parts, then the reverse again. That's what those words sort of means. But anyway, this is Stephen Arford from Arford Fortune. Creating fortunes for the future. Now, oops, running low on power source. But if you don't hear from me in the near future, it's because I am out serving in ministry somewhere else, just as important, and I will bring you those updates when I come back. So trade successfully, trade well, stay away from scams. God bless you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.